going on, folks? Out here doing my thing. I love working when there's nobody around. As you can see, I'm just here alone, me and the machine in my truck. It's great. This hose has a leak right here somewhere. So I gotta get that bracket off, take it over to Cat. They're gonna make me a new hose. Mas chingon on the way. Come back, put it on. We'll see if I get any footage of that. Place. Let's go get a hose and turn my music off real quick. So here we go with new hose. Throw that bastard back in the back. Let's climb into my fucking truck and let's go. Paperwork away. Oh, this fucking bitch. There we go. Off we go, folks. Oh yeah, some Jello Wolf. Maybe 31 will do it good. Oh no. Oh, my notepad. Well, let's get this fucking hose back in that hole over there, huh? How does that sound, folks? So, I don't know how good you can see, but it goes, the fitting's way back there, and it goes to right there, if you can't see if it's too dark. And it goes right there. But let's get it done. So I got that hose on and it's not leaking. Time to put my steps back on and all my panels around here. This old machine flashed out saying, looks like I need to add some transmission fluid. So let's get that done real quick. Sorry I'm not recording because I have nowhere to put my phone to videotape. We'll see you in a second. I could do this one by hand. Maybe. It's a little hard to put these in with one hand. There we go. Oh, wrong size. It's not a 5/8, it's what, 9/16? switch hands here. Ah, see, those are 5/8. What the hell? See, 5/8. All day, Williams, all day. Alright, now I gotta put the snip on. Now record next, I need both hands for sure. So I got it filled up with fluid. Now I gotta test it out. That's always the best part, right? Sorry, I almost fell out of the motherfucker right there. Just your steering wheel. Park the brake down. Put it in reverse. She goes. Sorry, my storage got full there. Shitty iPhone, I guess, huh? Be all right. Let's do a little back drag with this thing here. Put a little bit of a load. Let's go see if she leaky. Let's see. Now it's kind of hard to see. That one's dry. I don't know if you caught it on the video. Probably can't see it, but that fitting's dry. Another quality repair by yours truly on this old 928G loader. So I hope you enjoy this little clip of me working. If you like it, let me know. Try to do some more. We'll see you guys later.